Hello everyone, I'm Danny. I've been gone for quite some time, but now I am back. Welcome to my channel, Affiliates Dan. I am bringing you my latest video series, Dropshipping Boosters. In this video series, we will be discussing top 3 dropshipping products every single week for our aspiring dropshipping community. And before we get into the video, I would also like you to consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button, because if you do that, you will be helping me with YouTube algorithm, and that more newbie dropshippers will be able to watch this video. So I got that out of the way. Now shall we begin? Now, product number 1. Okay, sir. The Enchanted Lunar Lamp. Well, this is a cute little product which is doing great on online market. People are selling this product like hotcakes. It's perfect for presents, gifts. You can decorate your the living room with it, and maybe even do a little light nighttime reading next to it. You can pause the video to check out the description. Also, I've left a link in the description of the video, so if you want to have a look at some other details, you can go ahead and do that. Let's check out the stats, and according to the statistics, profit margin is 2171. Okay, 1224 is the product cost, and people are selling it for almost $40. Nice to know. And the saturation inspector tells us that only 29 stores are selling this product, so the competition is not that high, and the product is hot. So I really think you should consider this as a product, including into your dropshipping online store. Moving on to the next product, number 2. Calming Furniture Protector Pet Bed. Now, this one is pretty self-explanatory, because if you own a cat or a dog, you know that the fur shedding is a problem, especially if you have a dark color furniture or a rug. The fur is quite visible, and this product is basically prevent your pets to sit anywhere else but this rug, because it has some kind of anti-anxiety properties in it, which I honestly don't completely understand what it is, but it's a thing for pets, and it kind of calms them down for I don't know, maybe prevent them from nervously urinating on your carpet or something. I don't know. You can again pause the video, check out the description, and link is available in the description of this video as well. You can look out for some other details if you want to. And the statistics show that this product can give you $20 profit margin. It is the base cost is $28.20, and you can sell it for around $50 easy peasy. The saturation inspector, however, tells us that 58 stores are selling this product. 58 is still not bad. Anything below 100 is good. Competition is low, product is hot. So there you go. Moving on to product number 3. Okay, portable miniature wireless charger with speaker. Well, do I need to explain? This is pretty much what it says. Portable charger with speaker. You can charge your phone and play music with speaker, and you're not worrying about the volume, and hook it up with the speaker of this charger, and just listens to some good tunes. You can pause the video for the description. We are going to get into the statistics right away. Its profit margin is $15. Product cost is only $10 and a few cents. Not bad. People are selling this product for $25 and all right, that's a good margin. You can all the all the online stores with such niche like electronics and mobile accessories can use this product, and list this product rather, and let the cash flow in, baby. Let's check out the saturation. Okay, 35 stores are selling it. Not bad, not bad. This is good. So this is the last product. Think about it. Maybe you can check out the links in the description of the video, as I mentioned multiple times, and just go through the rest of the details if you want to. And before we end the video, before we say goodbye, I would like to remind you that besides the links of the products in the description of the video, I've also mentioned a couple of tools that are going to be really helpful for you. So don't forget to check them out. I've mentioned a tool which give access to global dropshipping suppliers. I mean, from every country and every region of every continent, you will find a dropshipper supplier for any potential product that you might want to promote on your online stores. So do not forget to check that out. And also there's another tool which helps you to promote your products on social media, and take care of all the hassle that one has to go through to promote their products on social media. So do check out these two links, and again, do not forget to at least consider subscribing and liking my video, because again, I really want this video to reach as many aspiring dropshippers as possible. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.